Hey guys, Roger with Grower Solution. I just wanted to tell you real quick, we've got some inverted mini warblers. In other words, you hang them from the top. Now, this is not the perfect situation. We did it though so that you can see exactly what they're doing. And it waters half of this 30-foot house really good. And if you hung it up higher, it would probably get the whole house. But we've got some pictures of them that we're going to be putting in some other video. I just wanted to let everybody look at them. If you've got questions on these, give us a call. We can help you with this. Be happy to. Guys, we appreciate your business. Thank you so much. See you next time.